quick note before I show you how to make these really simple flip-flop accents. I did use these flip-flops a couple of times before I did the tutorial, so of course if I make them as a gift for someone, I do use brand new ones. Anyway, let's get this going. Here's how I make these really pretty flip-flops. I'm going to remove the logo with acetone or nail polish remover. It comes off very easily that way. And I'm going to be using my 3 1/4 inch black ribbon, which I'm going to fold to the center. And here's how I make bows. I have my needle double threaded with button thread or carpet thread. It's a bit thicker than most or your typical sewing thread. And I'm just going to put large basting stitches right through the center, keeping this here in the center. And then I pull, it scrunches it together. And since this is really thick thread, I don't have to wrap a lot. I just did it like 4 times. Then I'm going to give it a nice finishing knot there. I'm going to go again and actually loop it through. I just want to clean this up. The satin frays so easily with nothing, so I'll do that again. But this time I'm going to go through the loop just to lock it in. It's so thick. Okay, and I am using a navy blue thick thread because I don't have black, but it's fine because no one's going to see it. And then from there, I'm going to come through the center of the bow, put the needle through this button, and then attach it this way. Now I don't have to keep going through this button because this thread is so thick. This button is going nowhere. I'm going to wrap it just once to hold it firmly in place. Give it an end off, another end off stitch back here, and now we're going to sew this onto the flip-flop. Just tightening that. And you bring this right to the center here, and you're going to hold it in place. And then I'm just going to wrap it a few times. And so I'm going under. I'm wrapping right in the center. And I'm going to wrap this way through. And I'll wrap one more time that way, just to secure it through and that it's tight. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind the bow and lock it in place. And here's what I mean. I'm going to go through the center. And again, I use navy. It's totally fine. Next time I'll use black. And I pull tight and I do it one more time right through the center of the bow. Through the center. Put it through the loop. It's a little finicky in there. I trim. And my flip-flop is done. They look like $1,000,000. I mean, really, they're gorgeous. Please leave a comment and, of course, ask any questions. I'm here to help you.